Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a minute since I've done a woodworking video, and I just got a box commissioned from a previous client. He wants a special box to hold his Magic the Gathering card game cube. Now it's going to have to hold 720 double sleeve cards, plus 250 single sleeve lands, plus 200 tokens, and he wants space in there for a few top loaders and some dice and some counters. What I've decided to do is go ahead and make interior boxes that are removable. So I'm going to make a row to hold 360, and I'm going to do 3 of those. Boom, boom, boom. And they'll hold 360 cards each. Double sleeved, which works out to where one will be holding half of his cube, the second will be holding the other half, and the third's going to hold his lands and his tokens. And then I'm going to make 3 skinny boxes that are just going to be 4 inches by 3 inches by 1 3/4, and that's going to hold his dice, tokens, and things like that. They're going to be all removable boxes. And then the removable boxes are going to slide down and nest in a center box. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to wrap the outside of the center box with the exterior, and he wants cherry wood. So I'm going to make use of some of my scrap, and we're going to do some really cool stuff. So stay tuned and check this out. We're going to go ahead and take pictures of the entire process and a few short videos. I hope you enjoy it. You can see here the interior boxes are being cut with a precision laser. Now this is going to give me perfect fingers, and my joints are going to be nice and smooth. Okay, so now that we've got these glued together, you can see the 3 boxes that are going to be for dice, counters, or whatever. They've got these cool little grips that'll actually slide in here and make a hook, so that if you'd like to pull it out, it makes it easier. And also, if you don't want to pull it out, you can just move them somewhere else. Each of these 3 has adjustable dividers on every inch. And in this set, 7 dividers are included. Okay, so since we finished our interior boxes right here, and we've got the middle box now that these are going to sit in just like this. Nice and snug. Okay, we're going to take some scrap, and we're actually going to cut this down and make the bottom of the box. So I'm going to cut these down, and then we're just going to layer them like so, and glue it nice and tight. At the same time, we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut down this piece of 3/4 inch to use for the top. Okay, so the box is finished. It's really sexy, and let's go ahead and look at the finished product. Now you saw me glue the bottom together, I'd like you to see how that looks after being finished. See, the bottom is nice and smooth. You can see that there's a border around the box, and that's going to be the side panels. Since cherry is a lighter wood, I went with black hardware, 12-inch piano hinge on the back, double latches on the front to prevent any warping from the glue up. We go ahead and unlock her, just like a book style. Open it up, and inside you can see all of the boxes that you saw me make earlier. Now the hooks may not even be needed, since you can take your fingertips to pull out these. But I'm including them just in case, because why not? They're kind of cool. These boxes can be removed easily, as you can see. The dividers themselves are designed to be snug but mobile. You just have to, boom, move them around. You can do them 1-inch sections. This is actually going to ship with these spread as they are to prevent these from moving at all during transit. The top is this 3/4 inch nice solid piece. I went ahead and put a strip in the center between the two things to make it kind of stand out a little bit more. And this particular client wanted simple, so it's simple. But I could potentially engrave something sexy right on the top of it and make this into an heirloom piece to be passed down for generations. I want to thank you for checking this video out. And for the interior boxes, I'll include a link in the description for those of you that actually have lasers and want to cut your own, to the file where you can go ahead and make the interior and the center box. Now the outside boxes were all done by hand, so there are no files for that. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.